Quando.
Section 1. Right diagonal, right foot, heel touch together. Left diagonal, left foot, heel touch together. Forward to walk. Right, left. Right foot, forward rock, recover. Back lock step, right foot, back lock back. Facing 12 o'clock. Section count. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Section 2. Repeat, back lock, recover. Repeat, hitch, pull, left side touch. Right quarter right foot, together, left side touch. Repeat, back, right foot, back lock, facing 3 o'clock. Section 2 count. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3. Repeat, recover. Right foot, forward step. Left forward, shuffle step. Right foot, forward step, left pivot, half turn. Right foot, forward step, left pivot, quarter turn. Facing 6 o'clock. Section 3 count. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 4. Right foot, cross, left side, right, heel touch, together. Jazz box, left foot, cross, back, side, forward. Right quarter turn, left foot, sweep, together. Weight on left foot, facing 9 o'clock. Section 4 count. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Full count. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.